Hi, and welcome back to River's Edge YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Karla Cunningham, and I'd like to take a little bit to talk about ticks and what a year we're having for ticks. It's the year of the tick. I'm sure that's not what it is on the Chinese calendar this year, but it should be. We had an exceedingly mild winter, and everybody rejoiced in that we didn't have any snow days, but it has made for a fabulous tick population. And this year at River's Edge, we decided to start carrying a product called Vectra 3D. And I did that because I felt like it was the best product available for fleas and ticks. And we've had some reports that Vectra 3D is not working on ticks. And I'd just like to take a moment to let everybody know that I'm still very confident in this product. And the fact that you're seeing ticks on your dog with Vectra, I would be terrified to think of what these dogs would look like if they weren't treated for ticks with Vectra 3D. The fact is, there isn't any product on the market that will kill 100% of ticks in less than 24 hours. There's no product that will kill ticks in less than 24 hours. There are different species of ticks, and some are easier to kill than others. We're seeing a lot of Lone Star ticks, and we know that tick in particular has a very hard shell over it, and it makes it very tough to kill. Ticks will die within 48 hours of getting on a dog with Vectra. However, unfortunately, during those 48 hours, they're still sucking blood. So you could see engorged ticks on a dog that is dying even though it's feeding at the same time. And I know that's kind of hard to understand, but it's true. We've seen some really scary data out there about the efficacies or the effectiveness of tick products at day 30. And most of these products are marketed to be used every 30 days. Vectra 3D at day 30 is killing 96% of the ticks. Advanix 2 is killing 92% of ticks, and Frontline is killing 54% of ticks at day 30. And unfortunately, that's not 100%. None of them are 100%. If your dog goes out and gets in a nest of ticks where they get 5,000 ticks on them, which unfortunately is entirely possible, 4% of 5,000 is 200. So that just potentially you could have 200 live ticks that aren't going to die because nothing kills 100% of them. So that is obviously an extreme situation, but there are a few of my clients that live in these horrible tick infestation areas. So what we're recommending for those people is a multimodal approach. One, we restrict the dog's environment, whether that means we've got to keep them in a fenced-in yard, they don't have access to tall trees or grass. One is treating the yard that you can treat. Obviously you can't treat 60 acres, but if you can treat the yard for ticks. And then also use the Vectra 3D or some other topical product that's approved by veterinarians. And in some cases we have to add a tick collar, like a Prevent-Tick collar that lasts for 3 months. So I just want everybody to understand that it's a horrible tick year. Hopefully we won't have another year like this again for many, many years. We'll have a nice cold winter this year and it'll kill all those bad things out there. But I still feel very strongly that Vectra 3D is a great product. And the Prevent-Tick collar is also a good product for if you have some tick problems. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call us at River's Edge Veterinary Hospital, 618-524-7500. Thanks and have a great day.